Good morning, I'm Dave, and this is Old Dad Studio. And in keeping with that promise that I made to myself about doing something for you two every single day, I'm going to record a little bit of vlog-style video today. Not a whole lot of exciting stuff to record. I'm going to be working on cleaning and organizing my 7-year-old's bedroom, so I don't think I will. I don't think I will film that. Although a couple things crossed my mind, and actually I've had a couple of chats already this morning with ChatGPT using their voice interactive mode. If you haven't given that a try, I suggest you. I think it's fantastic. If all you have ever used is like Siri for voice interaction, Siri's a very narrow focused AI helping you with prioritizing tasks and setting alarms, things like that, calendar alerts, directions. But it's very narrowly focused, and so if you're looking for something that's more advanced than that, then the advanced chat features of ChatGPT, boy, that's a mouthful. They're very cool. It's really amazing. It is not to the point of like Jarvis in the helmet of Iron Man. If you're thinking AI is Jarvis, that's actually called general intelligence for AI. We haven't achieved that yet. They're working on it, but that's in the near distant future, where ChatGPT Advanced Learning Language or Advanced Voice Interactive Mode is still based on a large learning model rather than general intelligence, and so there's a bit of a difference there. So ChatGPT today would be categorized the same way that Siri is, although it's much more full-featured than what Siri is. But they're both still narrowly focused AIs, and that's what they're categorized as. Anyway, that was that was me rambling this morning. So today, January 2nd, 2025, we're going to do a little bit of vlogging, and I will take you on throughout my day. All right, it's just a little bit later here this morning. I haven't really started digging into that darn 7-year-old's room. Oh my gosh. That is a project in itself. Anyway, I'm enjoying a cup of coffee this morning. And as I'm enjoying my coffee, I'm working on a project that, it's a long-term project that I have here. It's a personal project of mine. We purchased a digital picture frame a while ago, and I've been going through my archive of images, looking at, we should put this one to the frame, not this one. And I really haven't been organizing any of the photos right now. I've just been going into the folders that I created, and they're a mess. My intention years ago was to create a structure to organize my photos, and for a while I was really good at it. But then as I started taking thousands of pictures using the iPhone, my organization just went out the window, and now I just have gobs of folders of images just dumped in everywhere. And so at some point I need to go through and do another project and organize all of my images. And I'm thinking about just using either Google or Apple's imaging software. Maybe that should be a series. Maybe we'll do that on this channel as well, man. I wonder if AI could help me with that. Well, it's built into the products, so it automatically would be helping with me. But anyway. Somebody's gonna diagnose me as ADHD just watching this video. I know it. Anyway, so I'm working on reviewing images and putting them out to the digital picture frame, and realizing how long this process is taking. And I'm wondering if that is something that we couldn't set up some kind of AI to help me use it to manage, aside from the tools that Apple and Google have. I know there's a couple other ones out there as well. So what I'm doing, you can see, here's my folder structure right now. I just have, these are personal images, the date that I dumped them into this folder, and they came off of my iPhone, so I'm calling them iPhone photos. And then I'm just scrolling through all of them, and actually let me just do this once. In this folder I have 5,711 items. And I'm scrolling through the list, looking at them, and then using the tags, the dots, to tell me which, if any, frame that I want to go to. So The green dot is my frame here at home, and I have an orange dot for my mom and a gray dot for my in-laws. And so if, as an example, this photo here, I was going to send to all 3 frames, then I would use all 3 colors and code it that way. And I'm just going through one by one of these images, looking at them, and it's taking forever. So that's why this project is so long, because I have thousands and thousands of images across multiple folders saved like this, sometimes even duplicates, because at one point in time I was like, oh, I don't know if I saved these or not. Let me dump them to this folder, and let me dump them to that folder. And so I've got a ton saved like this that I'm going through. All right, this is the end of day 2, so this is a wrap up. I didn't do a ton of vlogging today, a little bit, and a little bit more than what I did yesterday. So yesterday I hit record, I recorded on my phone, I uploaded, that was it. That's all I did. Today, I started out vlogging a little bit in the morning. I did the work that I was going to do around the house and some of the cleaning, although the story on the 7-year-old's bedroom is it's not done yet. I still have a ways to go. It was completely out of hand. so it's if you know, it's a kid's bedroom, and we just had Christmas, and there's more toys than we know what to do with. So I am working on organizing, and that will continue until tomorrow. So I'll give you an update tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. But today, since I did start in the morning and I shot some clips, a couple of clips throughout the day, and now I'm wrapping up tonight, I'm actually going to have to use an editing, or I will have to use some editing software to put it all together to post a video tonight. So that's one step more today than what I did yesterday. Tiny steps, little increments, just keeping the momentum going. That's the name of the game right now for me, so I can continue on meeting my goal of doing something every day. One thing, anyway, for YouTube and for the vlog and for the channel. And so whether that's getting a video posted, that's working on a larger project, something, one thing every day for the progress of this channel. And so I, at least 2 days in, 363 more to go, and we'll see how we end up at the end of the year. But so far, so good. All right, well, if you're watching, thank you very much. And I will talk to you tomorrow.